Assalamualaikum and have a good day to all respected panels. I am Amanina binti Sharil from HM252 Food Service Management with Entrepreneurship Student. I would like to thank you for all panels spending your time to listen my presentation today. As per the requirement for Industrial Training Course HTF 685, I am going to present my internship experiences at Kripik Fast Industries Sdn Bhd. Before I start my presentation, let me highlight the overview of the presentation slide. The presentation slide consists of 5 sections, which is introduction, organization chart, vision and mission and objective of company, training schedule and department, and conclusion. I will start with introduction of my internship in accordance of industrial training program. Training period that I have started on 20 September until 9 January at Kripik Fast Industries Sdn Bhd. Kripik Fast was started by the idea from Mr. Haji Mahmudin bin Abbas, who initially made tapioca and banana chips sell to his colleagues at his workplace back in 1980s. However, the small sales made were much appreciated by his colleagues. They really enjoyed the chips and the demand from them very high, that causing for Mr. Haji Mahmudin accepted their orders and produced more than usual. In 1982, he began create his own empire selling and produce chips from home with his wife, then selling and promoting his tapioca and banana chips at factories around the area in Shah Alam. Fast Enterprise was established by Mr. Haji Mahmudin bin Haji Abbas in Selangor, located in Kancong Darat, Banting, on 24 February 1983 as a snack food processing factory. At the initial stage, this company was a private limited company where the enterprise was assisted by the siblings of Mr. Haji Mahmudin in 1986. But since 1996, the company has been a sole proprietorship called Fast Enterprise. In 2000, the Kripik House store brand name was established. The company is wholly family owned and has now been taken over by his second son, Mr. Muhammad Fazli bin Haji Mahmudin. He has taken over the management of Kripik House from 2003 until now 2022. For now, Kripik House known as Kripik Fast Industries Sdn Bhd. The name of the business originated from the name of the children of Haji Mahmudin bin Abbas. In other words, the children of Haji Mahmudin bin Abbas are closely related in managing the business. Vision and mission of Kripik Fast Industries. In the year of 2012, Fast Industries Sdn Bhd had reached revenue of 4.3 million ringgit Malaysia. In addition, in 2015, the business had also earned 8 million ringgit Malaysia, which Fast Industries Sdn Bhd is a profitable business and could sustain in the local market for a long time. Fast Industries Sdn Bhd apparently had a vision, and that is to be a leading, competitive and excellent chips-oriented company, as well as improving the customer's value by being the preferred supplier in selling chips and the number one choice for the consumers to choose in terms of buying chips. Besides, the mission statement of Fast Industries Sdn Bhd is, we are an operation that is providing a high quality crisps for the consumer, with benefiting both the consumers and environment. There is 4 objective company of Kripik Fast Industries. First, to be a leading food producer and exporter to the international market globally. 2, modernization of the agricultural sector and its new role as an economic generator. 3, increase the income of farmers and entrepreneurs on a regular basis. 4, introduce and market local product internationally. Next, Kripik Fast location. Kripik Fast Sales Center is located at Lot 1454, Jalan Cepedak, Kancong Darat, 42700 Banting, Selangor. The name of the business originated from the name of the children Haji Mahmudin, founder of Kripik Fast, and the children of Haji Mahmudin are closely related in managing the business. Aside from offering Kripik Fast factory products, the selling centers are now giving opportunity for small to medium enterprise SME entrepreneurs to promote and sell their products in the shop. allowing the entrepreneurs to earn some profit. Okay, next we move to organization chart. Kerapit Fast Industries Sdn Bhd has 4 departments. They are Factory Maintenance, headed by Mr. Faizul Haji Mahmudin. Kerapit Fast Factory, handled by Mr. Fazli Haji Mahmudin. Fast Plantation, handled by Mr. Faizal Haji Mahmudin. And Kerapit Fast Sales Center, headed by Madam Fazila Haji Mahmudin. For factory maintenance was handled and supervised by Mr. Faizul and his workers. They are responsible with carrying out various maintenance tasks in factory. Then Kerapit Fast Factory was handled and supervised by Mr. Fazli Haji Mahmudin. There were 2 work sections, which is the packaging area and the production area. At the packaging area, the workers will be packed the requested list they receive from the sales center and deliver all the ready packed chips to the sales center, while the production area is processed product from raw materials such as tapioca, banana, purple sweet potato and potato made to chip product. Then Fast Plantation was handled by and supervised by Mr. Faizal Haji Mahmudin. Almost the whole supply of raw materials available in the near area. Feedstock cultivation methods were included in the farmers and companies contract. Lastly, the sales center was handled and supervised by Madam Fazila Haji Mahmudin. Kerapit Fast Industries is one of the famous chip sales center in Banting. There are more than 150 types of chips-based products and other SME products at affordable price. Okay, next training schedule. According to the table above, I was assigned to several departments, including packaging area, production area and Kerapit Fast Sales Center. Then I was assigned at packaging area on 20 September until 31 October 2021. I had learned and observed the way packaging process from the beginning to the end the process. Next, for the second month, I was placed at production area on 1 November until 12 December 2021. At production area, there are 2 works areas, which are the processing area and the chips frying place. For the first 2 weeks, I will learn how to peel the raw tapioca and process it to make chips at processing area. And another 2 weeks, learn how to frying raw tapioca to be made chips. And lastly, for the last month of my internship program, Madam Fazila was placed me at the sales center under Madam Fazila supervise because she is manager and chief of Kerapit Fast Sales Center. Okay, next move to department and program attachment. First and foremost, I was assigned at packaging area. Being a packer must be a very meticulous person to ensure product safety during packaging process. This is because chips product is the fragile product that must to be handled gently throughout the entire packaging process from the production to the plastic packaging. Usually at the sales center, the weight of the chips sold is 250 gram and 500 gram per pack. And packer must weigh the entire chips product according to the weight of the chips that has been set by sales center. Seal packaging for protect product shelf life, and well sealed package will ensure that no damage is done during the transfer. Well sealed packaging is important, that which can be stored and stacked easily and safely on shelf. The easier to stack and store can be more efficient. The sales process will be at the end of the line. Finally, I must to check and arrange ready pack of chips into the basket to deliver them at sales center. Ensure all the products packaging are in the good condition and expired date label are correct. Packaging area is the place to make custom chips packaging order and will make chip stock packaging to sell at sales center according to the requested listing of the day. Packaging makes the product more presentable and serve as a key sales marketing tool. Packaging serves the essential purpose of keeping the product, protecting it, managing it, storing it and making it easier to use. Okay, next in production area. For the first 2 weeks, my manager assigned me at processing area and another 2 weeks at chips frying place. At the processing area, I started my first day peel raw tapioca manually using a special knife specifically for peeling raw tapioca. The production of tapioca chips according to the yield of the raw tapioca harvest, usually 1.5 tons to 3 tons per day. Raw tapioca need to peel and process into finished product. Next, washing process to remove soil and dirty before move to slicing process. Operating slicing machine, slicing process will be cut the raw tapioca into thin slices with round shapes according to the predetermined thickness. The final process is blanching process. Blanch raw tapioca slices to remove extra starch and eliminate potential bacteria on raw tapioca. Okay, next, after processing the raw tapioca into thin slices, move to frying process, in which raw tapioca slices are deep fried in high temperature oil. Usually, the time taken to fry the tapioca chips is 5 to 7 minutes with temperature 118 Celsius. It's different time taken for other types of chips such as banana chips. Banana chips time taken to fry is 10 to 15 minutes with temperature 170 Celsius. Then after frying process, move to the oiling process. Using the oiling machine to spin out oil through high speed rotation by the inner cylinder. The final stage is packaging process. It is vital for prolonged product shelf life and prevents food spoilage. Okay, next, Crepit Fast Sales Center. Crepit Fast Sales Center has 5 works area section. They are counter cashier, main entrance, bundle pack area, small pack area, and parcel postage packaging. I was assigned to monitor main entrance, edit and arrange chips according to the type of chips or SME products, because SME products located near main entrance that can I easily monitor. Okay, due to COVID-19 SOPs, the sales center should not exceed 25 people at a time, and ensure every customer who enters at Crepit Fast Sales Center must scan Sejahtera QR code, completely 2 doses of vaccine, and check their body temperature. What I have learned from my first job task is properly greeting customer is an important part to every staff that is deal with customers, such as cashier's job or main entrance jobs. A good first impression may make customer feel appreciated and enhance the probability that they would buy with you again in the future. Next, every product has expired date. I must ensure rotate chips or any food product using FIFO system. The first product displayed in are the first product sold out to minimize spoilage and wastage. Crepit Fast Industries always apply FIFO, first in first out system at all products. That is a basic rule of product rotation that protects product quality and freshness. Next, job flow for my second job task as a cashier. The duties and responsibilities of a cashier vary depending on the business, but often involve welcoming customers and checking out customers when they are ready to purchase products. Cashiers also answer product queries for potential purchaser, provide alternative for things the shopper has chosen, and resolve customer issues when they return an item. I have learned how to manage transaction with customer using cash registers. Cashiers generally collecting and handling payments or check transaction, whether in cash, online transfer or debit, and issue receipts, refunds or change. Then I must ensure and double or triple check when scanning chips or food products are selected by customer to prevent any mistake occur and ensuring pricing is accurate. After my shift ended, count money in cash drawers at the beginning and end of shifts to ensure that amounts is correct and there is adequate change. Always track transaction on balance sheets and report any discrepancies. So, in conclusion, the three places which are packaging area, production area and sales center that have assigned by manager during internship program are accomplish my objective and expectation. Many new experiences and skills that I have gained during my internship period, including communication, time management, professionalism, soft skills and problem solving. With all of the skills I have learned during my training, I am confident that I will be able to apply what I have learned in the real world in the future. I admit working in the industry is difficult, but with all of my experience, I am confident that I can succeed. In addition, theory subjects like food safety, hospitality, food service management have provided me with a wealth of knowledge that I can apply in the workplace. Communication and problem-solving abilities, in my opinion, are vital for any food service manager. Last but not least, I am grateful to have been in Creative Fast Industries and to have the opportunity to receive industrial training there. Thank you. That's all from me.